Hey guys, it's Lexy. Welcome to another video on my channel. Today's video we are going to be trying out the Dr. BRANT No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. This is going to be a first impressions review type video, so if you guys like those kinds of videos and want to see more, give me a thumbs up so that I know. And if you guys would like to see more videos about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, make sure to click that subscribe button. It's big, it's red, it's free, and click that bell next to it so you can actually be notified when I post a new video. Check out all the rest of my social medias in the description, and let's get started. It comes in this little box, and then you open it up, and it has like a little divider. So this is the eye depuffing gel. It's just a black tube thing. It has this kind of dispenser, and I assume this paper in here is the instructions. Yeah, so they have multiple languages. Needles no more baggage eye depuffing gel. Visibly reduces the look of under eye bags, dark circles. Drop the bags and everything that comes with them. Formulated with a biomimetic, no idea what that is, matrix technology, peptides and botanical extracts to visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles for a rested, youthful look around the eye. Dr. BRANT recommends gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under and over makeup. For best results, let dry in between applications. Reapply as necessary or as needed. Keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If excessive irritation develops, discontinue use and consult your physician. I am just going to take off my makeup. It's just easier, and I was planning on doing it anyway. My camera died. I'm going to be taking my makeup off before I apply the bag depuffing thing. What I'm using is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. There's literally nothing left. Do you see that? I love this so much. I'll link it in the description. I'll link everything in this video in the description. I've used all of it pretty much because I love it so much. I bought 2 more of them, and just for proof, in case someone's out there is gonna be like, no you didn't, 1 and 2 full bottles of the micellar water. What I use with those cotton rounds I got on Amazon. They give you, I think, 3 or 4 big packages like this, and I have barely even made it halfway down, and I use this so much. There were 100. Started with 100. We're gonna take my makeup off. Okay. Makeup is off. I like this because it also cleanses the skin, and I get the blue one because it's for waterproof mascara, and I always wear waterproof mascara because nothing else holds my curl. So this is what my eyes look like before the gel. Sort of puffy, sort of have a little dark circleness. So now we're gonna apply the gel. It just says apply. Nothing is coming out. Why is this so difficult to get out? Watch it explode in my face. Oh my god. Oh, why is it yellow? What the heck? I thought it was going to be clear. Now I'm scared. Oh my god. Okay, it dried clear-ish. Does it look less puffy than this one? I don't know, but it kind of stings. What did I get myself into? Oh wow, that dried kind of immediately. This is so interesting. It's kind of stinging. My eyes are a little red. I don't know if it looks less puffy. We can try another application. Application number 2, here we go. It still freaks me out that this is not coming out clear. Like, it's like an orange, yellowish little... I'm trying to pat a little bit more. I am tearing up. It stings a little bit, feels a little bit weird. It has gotten a lot tighter. This side doesn't feel as tight as this one, so I think I somehow put more of the stuff on this side than this side. It feels tighter. This one looks like it worked a little bit better than this one. I don't know, I really can't tell. Let me know in the comments if you can see a difference. If you guys have tried this product, let me know in the comments, and if it worked for you, because I'm really curious to see if it works for you. I was hoping it would get rid of the darkness, but it doesn't seem to have done that. It still looks kind of dark. My eyes are a little bit orange, not clear. It says you can use it alone, but it looks so weird. It's orange. What the heck? I don't think this worked. You tell me in the comments because I really don't know. So that was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you did by giving this video a thumbs up and commenting something in the comments. If you made it to the end, you should definitely hit that subscribe button. I mean, you made it to the end, why not? Also click that notification bell so you can actually be notified when a new video goes live. Check out more of my videos on the screen and check the description for all of my social medias and other videos. I have a vlog channel in case you didn't know. I post on there a lot, so go subscribe. The link is in the description, and click the bell for my vlog channel and also this one if you haven't already. It's right there. Is it on this side or this side? I think it's on this side, but I'm not sure, so yeah. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!